Alright everybody, today is probably going to be a short video. I want to accomplish two things. One, I want to change the oil. So I have my 24mm socket with my 1/2 inch extension to my 1/2 inch ratchet. Have my oil drain bucket there. I have my funnel. I have my Honda GN4 4-stroke motorcycle oil. And I have some butterscotch looking oil that smells like gas that needs to come out. So the second thing I want to accomplish after the oil change is to make sure the transmission works. But I don't want this motor running with this oil in it, because I don't want the rod to knock, because the oil just does smell like gas. So let's go ahead and try to get this oil drain bolt off, and let's see what this oil looks like when it's coming out, which I'm sure it's not going to look good at all. Alright, well that came loose way easier than what I thought. Oh, that looks like straight up water. That does not look like it has any sort of viscosity to it at all. It just looks like straight water. Oh, that looks nasty. That looks disgusting, and it smells like straight up gas. It smells like straight gas. I wonder if the carburetor float was stuck and it just ran gas just straight into the doggone crankcase. Y'all see that color? This is terrible. Oh, it smells like gas. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't run this for too much longer, because I would have messed around and had a rod knock, then I would have been upset. The strainer doesn't look that bad. I'm gonna shoot some carburetor cleaner through it. Clean all this stuff up and I'll be back. But yeah, this oil looks absolutely horrendous. This looks terrible. And it smells like, seriously, it smells like gas. Ugh. So yeah, I'll be back once I top it up with, I believe it takes a gallon. So I'll be back once I top it up with a gallon of oil. Yeah, that looks disgusting. That looks terrible. So I got the spring all cleaned up, I got the filter cleaned up, and I got the drain bolt cleaned up. So I'm gonna get this all back in, and then we put fresh oil in. Alright, so I got the oil change. I got some gas in the carb. There's hopefully enough gas. Let's start it up and let's see if the transmission works. So the transmission works, but I don't know whether it's in high or low because the lever is broke off. So I guess I won't figure out if it's in high or low until I actually take it for a test ride, which when I get the tank, or if I rig up a tank, I may just pop some air in the tires and take it around the block. But yeah, hopefully it's in high and not in low. If it's in low, I don't know what I have to do to get it too high without having to take everything apart, because I would never put it in low. I've never put my 125 in low, so I doubt I would ever put this in low. But I just need to get it in high if it's not in high without taking a whole lot of too much stuff apart. So we changed the oil. I did put in my starter button right there. So because like I said, the wires came out of there. Little starter button was like $6 on Amazon. Works just fine. They want like minimum $50 for a decent switch, and I don't know if the headlights work on it. I'll get that figured out when the time comes, but I think I am going to go ahead and do the pull start because I have everything for that, and get that on, so that way I don't have this leg killer over there just hanging out. But yeah, we know the transmission works, so we're good to go. So I do want to take this for a ride, but I don't have any brakes, so I don't want this to try to run off. Something happens, it tries to run off and I can't stop. So we shall see, but I think that's going to be it for this one here. I know the transmission works, so we can kind of proceed forward with what we're going to do. So I know it wasn't a whole lot, it wasn't really nothing exciting, but we have a fully functional 3-wheeler as far as the driveline goes. So think, build, enjoy. I'll see you guys later. Hopefully it'll be a little bit more exciting episode on the next video. Peace.